who I am, interested in the mic. I want to talk to you about telling time in Lëtzebuergesch. But not the whole thing, just the part that interests me. Down here at the 30. This is what I would call 3:30. This would be half 3 to the Brits. But to Lëtzebuergesch, this is halver 4, half 4. To me, this is 25 after 3. To Lëtzebuergesch, it asks Feneth 4 halver 4, which means 5 before 3:30. And then over here, what I would call 25 of 4, they call Feneth up halver 4, 5 after 3:30. And this whole area here is interesting to me because in a way, a Lëtzebuergesch hour only lasts about 20 minutes. Because let's say it's the 3 hour, okay? Just turned 3 o'clock. Hallelujah, it's 3 o'clock. Yay, 3 o'clock, it's the greatest o'clock ever. It is 3 hours. So it's Feneth up 3, it's hang up 3, farewell up 3, sponsorship 3, and then down here it becomes Feneth 4 halver 4. So now we're thinking about 4. What? Everything from here on is all focused on the 4. It's all about the 4. It's Feneth 4 halver 4, Feneth up halver 4. We just can't get enough of that 3:30. It's like, oh, 3:30 is coming. Yeah, 3:30. And then after 3:30, oh, we love 3:30 so much. It's Feneth up halver 4. Over here, okay, we're over the halver 4. Svanzig 4, farewell 4, saying 4, Feneth 4, and fair. Oh, fair's here. It's going to be so great. It's going to be the greatest thing ever. But it's only going to be about 21 minutes. Because once we get down here, it's all about the Feneth. And again, now everything from here on focuses on the 5. So, a couple things. One, a Lëtzebuergesch hour lasts, I would say, 21 minutes. The other thing that strikes me is that it sort of fits with the Lëtzebuergesch character in that they're very forward-looking people. They're always looking for the next big thing. They were very into the mining and the steel industry, but they realized, okay, this isn't going to last forever, so they had their eye open looking for something else, and then, oh, okay, the banking and the finance industry, and the mutual funds, and all that kind of stuff. So they focused on that, and then now they're like, we got to diversify some more. We got to look at the next thing. Oh, it's going to be space mining. Oh, it's going to be satellite stuff. Oh, it's going to be the I can't even say digitization, let alone know what it is. So that's telling time in Lëtzebuergesch. I hope you learned something. Hey, ciao.